gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon, and welcome to the launch of Lark's New Normal Business Council and Mentorship Program. My name is RJ Ledesma. Very honored to be your host for today's webinar.
The way forward is what we want to do. When creating the way forward, we wanted to give businesses in Philippines this
Employer-employee rather than becoming collaborative partners during this time. Don't you agree that this is how much it has changed?
Yes, people are one of our best assets, right? And the best time for us to actually tide through this is to really work in partnership.
Talking to systems, working with individuals, bringing this entire people and processes together with a technology like Lark. All you need to do is knowing how to click and knowing how to drag and drop. So again, Lark is really something that can help you to solve that pain point and even make you more productive than before COVID. Ready for
Exactly.
you to grow.
Exactly, and that's what we are as entrepreneurs. Our solution is to come up with pain points that solve problems. And exactly,
Perfect.
Lark is coming with a pain point that solves problems for collaboration, especially for MSMEs and even larger corporations during this period of the new normal. So again, thank you so much.
Normal Business Council and Mentorship Program, because we understand that these new ways of working need more than just the right tools, but businesses also need useful information and useful guidance from industry leaders and really business experts to be able to successfully navigate this new normal and to be able to thrive and to be able to get personalized solutions for their businesses. This program will not be possible without the help of our partners, JCI Philippines, the Association of Filipino Entrepreneurs, and of course, Go Negosyo. And moving on to also our media partners, we are very grateful to you for helping us spread the word about this program. Inquirer.net, the ABS-CBN News Channel, CNN Philippines, Business Mirror, Yugatech, Unbox PH, and Esquire.
Helping them out right now, Joey, is through the subsidizing them on Lark with the credits I see, and also this training. And what else do you have in store for them?
Absolutely. We are using this upcoming mentorship program as a platform for local businesses to learn how to digitalize their business. So RJ, just like what you mentioned, right? All the three different tracks are very different, and we want to provide a holistic approach and having the host of experts, including yourself, to be part of this program.
And how? So how will they benefit the small and medium scale businesses? Maybe those who are like in the mentee program, there'll be just about 10 employees or or within that range.
Wonderful. So, apart from the core functions that we mentioned, so we have the messenger, the video conferencing, the calendaring, and the docs. You could actually use some of the available applications that is already on Lark on top of all these core functions. So what we've seen in Philippines, especially for a lot of the MSME, right? Attendance app is something that is useful. Especially in some of the businesses where they have to work in shifts.
Over here, he's asking what will be the focus of the coaching sessions that will be provided to those who will be chosen to participate in the mentorship program. So just to clarify, it's free. The first sessions are free, right? To watch online is free. But when you qualify, there'll be coaching sessions. That's right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
And these coaching sessions with these mentees, the focus will really depend on the needs of the mentees. I think that's what makes this mentorship program really special and unique, is that it is really tailor-fit to the needs of the mentee, because we recognize that every business is different, which is why we've put together a very diverse set of speakers and experts, so that whatever needs these mentees have will be met. And the solutions that are provided for them will be very unique and customized for their needs.
So again, thanks so much to Joey, to Andy, and to Kat for joining us here this afternoon. And thank you so much to all our friends from the media joining us here as well. It was a truly insightful and informative afternoon. We invite all of you again to please watch our 3-part webinar series, which begins on November 10. We all hope that you've learned something here this afternoon in this hour of sharing information and insights. Again, my name is RJ Ledesma. It's been a pleasure seeing you all today, seeing you all here today. Enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you guys on November 10. Have a great day, everyone.